everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Jasmine Kaur, a second year MBBS student at IGMC Shimla, and let me tell you, MBBS is intense. Long study hours, constant exams, and a schedule that barely stops. It's a lot. My day-to-day is filled with lectures, practicals, postings, and long study hours. And sometimes I feel like I'm always on the go and the pressure just never stops. But here's the thing, it's not all work and no play. I have learned that in order to handle all the pressure of MBBS, I have to give some time to unwind, whether it's a college fest or a trip with friends. These are the moments that give me the break I need to recharge. So recently my college held its annual fest Stimulus. It's a big event for all of us because it's one of those rare chances where we get to let loose and just enjoy ourselves.
Turn the lights low, vibe of the mansion, drowning my soul, let's travel the world just for a stroll, but I won't let you go, let you go.
Being around friends, watching performances, dancing and laughing, it's all the fun that we need to break our routine for a bit. And it's memories like these that keep me going during the tough times. Right after the fest, me and my friends decided to go on a short trip because what better way to de-stress than a small getaway with friends?
Not a star in the sky could steal your light. You are the diamond in the dark. No oceans out there can wash you away. There is no way that you can't break. The good in you makes it better, and you're easily the best part I see. You're a fighter, you're a fighter. Now I see what life could be when you're standing next to me. You're a fighter, you're a fighter. I'm higher, higher, higher than ever before. I'm higher, higher, higher than ever before.
Trips like this remind me that there's more to life than just exams and grades. Being with friends, exploring new places, and just disconnecting from everything for a while. It's like hitting the reset button for my mind.
Let's just see where it goes here. Okay.
I'm tired of taking, I can't get enough of this old world. Another auctioneer, a fist inside of his mouth, watching it happen. Tide rolled in and it washed us out. What was enough back then is more than enough right now. How we missing every train with love lights on, or how the rainbow bends, turn around and it's already gone. Watching it happen. Trouble ahead and everyone saw. I thought I knew back
it's easy to get lost in the intensity of MBBS, but it's trips like these that help me come back refreshed and ready to take on the next phase of studying. Plus, it's moments like these that create memories that last longer than any test result ever could. Looking back, I have realized that it's this balance between studies and fun that keeps me motivated. Yes, MBBS is challenging, it requires a lots of dedication, but finding time for friends, enjoying these college functions, and giving yourself breaks makes the journey worthwhile. So for all of you out there, whether you're studying medicine or something else, remember to give yourself those breaks. It's not about having fun, it's about keeping yourself motivated and balanced. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell me in the comment section how you unwind from your hectic schedule. Until next time, bye bye.